This is Steve from the Celtic Farm with another helpful video. Hopefully you enjoy it. I was out on the farm actually doing some work today, and I walked by this new set of hoses that I put in. I thought I'd share how to get rid of these kinks. It's a common gardening problem. And my issue is that I've got this hose watering wand that has a fixed connection. It doesn't allow any swivel, so over time the hose gets twist. These are expensive hoses, so if they twist like that, you can get holes in the kinks. So the way I relieve these kink-producing sections of hose is with these quick connect and disconnect hose fittings. They're brass. You can put them on. In this case, you can see I've got my fixed connection. I'm going to go ahead and swap this out. So I'll grab some channel locks and a pipe wrench. Went ahead and disconnected them, and then between this connection, I'll go ahead and put the female end on to the hose, and then on the watering wand, we'll go ahead and put the male end. So this is dual purpose. Not only will it help me with kinks, but also if I've got other connections, like I've got a bubbler or a soaker end that I want to put on the hose, I can put another quick connect and disconnect, and then I can have multiple connections available or multiple tools available. Be sure you tighten these up pretty good. I use channel locks. They've got a little flat surface to go ahead and do that, and then I can go ahead and connect it, and you can see it twists really fine and easy now at the tip, which is one of my solutions. So as I mentioned, it's really easy to connect and disconnect these. They form a really tight seal without washer, and they're made really well. Okay, so now I have that at the tip end. Now I've got two hoses connected here, and you can see I've got these contractor hoses. They got this big connection, but it doesn't allow the swivel. So what I want to do is undo this and add another quick connect. Once again, serves two purposes. Number one, it'll let the hose twist, release that hose twist so we don't get kinks. And number two, it makes it easy to disconnect and connect my hoses to other places. So if I have one on a hose bib, or I have another hose I want to connect, I can connect and disconnect really quickly and easily. Which for me, I do a lot of hand watering, so it's nice to be able to do that. And there you go. So we have the connection. And as I mentioned, that quick disconnect and connect capability is really nice, especially if you have sprinklers and other tips and you move your hoses around your garden quite a bit. The last place we're going to put one of these quick connect disconnect fittings is at the hose bib. So this will give me 3 points to untwist my hose and kind of get rid of those kinks, so I don't have issues or damage to my hose. So I'll go ahead and put the female end on. And we'll put the male end on. And if I was doing this for end purposes, I'd actually wrench them so they're nice and tight. But for the purpose of this video, I didn't want to bore you with my wrench work. So you can see it provides that disconnect quick connect. So just a quick video on how to get rid of those kinks. If you like it, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips from the Celtic Farm. Thanks.